This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about net bags, specifically these great Tek Net Takeout bags. They come in both black and white and in 3 sizes. The small is 7 3/4 inch square. The medium is 9 3/4 by 8 3/4. And the large is 13.5 by 12.5, meaning that you have a lot of great size options depending on what you're packing up. They store flat, as you can see, and they're made from a really thin yet durable non-woven fiber. So they're not going to take up a lot of counter space, and they're going to be really easy just to tuck underneath the counter, especially if you're doing things like packing up a lot of to-go orders. They're going to be comfortable for your customers to carry because they have built-in handles, and they can easily handle odd shapes and sizes because of the way the netting is cut and conforms to packages. So easy to just place, pull those handles up, and things are ready to go. So it's going to be great for odd size boxes or orders with multiple objects, or even things like produce or fruit and veg or small grocery items. They'd also work great for retail stores that have a lot of small items, like gift items or other things like that. If you're doing a lot of small boxes or anything of that nature, they're a fun, attractive way to show off your goods when they're going out the door.